Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be show you how to change TikTok username before 30 days. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, you have to open your TikTok profile, then click on edit profile and now click on username, and here we can see your username can be changed once every 30 days. You can change it again after January 22. Okay, after that you have to open your phone settings, and from here click on additional settings and now click on date and time. So we are going to change our date, so I'm turning off this toggle for automatically set date and time, and after that clicking on set time, and from here selecting January 22, okay, January 23, and after that I'm going to show you the exact date. It's set it as January 23. Okay, now I'm going back to my TikTok, and here I'm going to change the username. Okay, now I'm again clicking on username, and here I'm changing the username with some random number, and now I'm clicking on set username, and that's it. This is how we can change our TikTok username before 30 days. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.